Everyone talks about waking up at 5 a.m. like it's a morning decision. Like you just wake up one day, feel motivated, throw off the blanket, and suddenly become disciplined. That's a lie. No one becomes disciplined at 5 a.m. They either earned that morning the night before, or they didn't. If you're struggling to wake up early, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack willpower. And it's definitely not because you're broken. It's because you're trying to solve a night problem with a morning solution. And today we're going to break that illusion. Not with motivation, not with quotes, but with psychology, neuroscience, and real-life examples that will change how you see discipline forever. Why 5 a.m. is not the start. Let's get one thing straight. 5 a.m. is not the beginning of discipline, it's the result. Your body does not magically decide how it feels at 5 a.m. It simply executes the instructions it received the previous evening. Your nervous system, your hormones, your brain chemistry, they don't care about your goals. They care about patterns. If your night is chaotic, your morning will be weak. Every single time. You can't negotiate with biology. Your brain doesn't wake up, it transitions. Most people think waking up is like flipping a switch. It's not. Waking up is a biological transition. Your brain moves through stages. Melatonin decreases, cortisol rises, dopamine begins to activate motivation. Body temperature increases. This process begins hours before you wake up, which means if you go to sleep late, overstimulated, anxious, scrolling, watching chaos, your brain cannot complete that transition properly. You wake up tired because your brain never finished the night cycle. Discipline is a circumstance, not a feeling. Here's something people don't want to hear. Discipline is not a personality trait, it's a controlled environment. Example, two people want to wake up at 5 a.m. Person A, phone in bed, scrolling until 1:30 a.m. Dopamine spikes, blue light exposure, emotional stimulation. Person B, phone off at 9:30, low stimulation, predictable routine, calm nervous system. Guess who wakes up at 5 effortlessly? Not the stronger person, the better prepared one. Why willpower fails every morning? Willpower is a finite resource. By the time it's morning, your brain wants comfort, your body wants safety, your nervous system wants familiarity. When the alarm goes off, your brain asks only one question. Is waking up more painful than staying asleep? If the answer is yes, you lose. And here's the key insight. That answer was decided the night before. The night is where identity is decided. Discipline is not about actions. It's about identity reinforcement. At night, when no one is watching, your brain is asking, who are we? When you choose comfort every night, you train an identity. I avoid discomfort. When you prepare your sleep environment, you train, I take tomorrow seriously. The night is where identity is negotiated. Morning just reveals the agreement you already signed. The phone is the real enemy, not sleep. People blame sleep. Sleep is innocent. The real enemy is dopamine disorder. Scrolling, texting, videos, chaos. This floods your brain with dopamine at the exact moment it should be slowing down. This confuses your nervous system. It's like revving an engine while pressing the brakes. Your brain doesn't rest. It crashes, and crash systems don't wake up discipline. A metaphorical story, fictional but true. Imagine a city that wants traffic to flow smoothly at sunrise, but every night, construction is random. Roads are blocked, signals are broken. Then at 5 a.m., the city is shocked that traffic collapses. That's your brain. Nighttime chaos creates morning resistance. What disciplined people actually do at night? Here's what they don't do. Feel motivated, try harder, hype themselves. Here's what they do. Reduce choices, remove stimulation, create predictability, lower cognitive load. Discipline is design, not force. The 5 rules of night discipline. Rule 1, decide tomorrow before 9 p.m. No decisions in the morning. Clothes ready, alarm placed, intent set. Rule 2, cut dopamine, not sleep, lower stimulation, earlier bedtime. Rule 3, make sleep boring. Your brain should associate bed with calm. Rule 4. End the day with control. One disciplined act before sleep changes identity. Rule 5. Respect transitions. You don't fall asleep, you enter sleep. What not to do? This destroys 5 a.m. habits. Snooze buttons, late night one more video, sleeping with phone in reach, emotional conversations at night, inconsistent bedtimes. These are not small mistakes. They are identity sabotage. Why 5 a.m. is a signal, not a goal. 5 a.m. isn't magic, it's a signal that your life is aligned, that your systems are clean, that your identity is consistent. People who wake up early aren't special, they're synchronized. The final truth: if you want to wake up at 5 a.m., stop asking, how do I wake up earlier? Start asking, how do I end my day like someone who wakes up early? Because discipline doesn't begin with an alarm. It begins with a decision, made quietly the night before, when no one is watching. If this video made you rethink discipline, not as motivation, but as system design, then you're already ahead of most people. And if you want to build a life where discipline feels natural, you know where to stay.